Well, for more on this controversy, we're now joined by Congress spokesperson Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Thank you, sir, for joining us this morning. Sir, this visit of Sharad Pawar's to Bal Thackeray, it's a clear snub to the Congress.
Let me make a few things clear. I don't agree with you at all on the use of the word snub. If Mr. Pawar has met him to prevent the politics of disruption in cricketing matters, I don't see any reason for people to speculate. If he has met him for any other reason, it is for Mr. Pawar to explain. I am sure that he knows how to ensure that there will be no speculation, there will be no misunderstanding and misinterpretation of his visit. But for that, you have to ask him. As I said, if he has gone for cricketing matters, I don't see any reason for any political party to comment.
But sir, this visit to Bal Thackeray and this asking him not to disrupt the matches, coming after the Union Home Minister himself has guaranteed security for the Australian players. You've had the Maharashtra's Chief Minister also guaranteeing it, and still Sharad Pawar went ahead and met Bal Thackeray on this issue. This also coming after that war of words we saw between Rahul Gandhi and the Thackerays last week. It is clearly a snub, and has the Congress asked for an explanation?
You are mixing up two totally unconnected issues. The guarantee for security from the central facilitation, from the state government law and order forces stands. It stands unequivocally and undiluted. It has nothing to do with a separate initiative, if it is that, by Mr. Pawar to talk to Mr. Thackeray to ensure that the disruption is prevented, if at all proposed. These are two totally unconnected matters. There is no need to speculate, as I said. If it is only about cricketing matters, I see no reason to comment. If it is about matters other than cricketing, I am sure Mr. Pawar is capable enough to remove all misunderstandings and misinterpretations and speculations which might arise.
But sir, also in recent days, Mr. Sharad Pawar has come under attack within the Congress over the issue of rising prices, and given that, and also it's being read as some sort of overture to Bal Thackeray.
That's the third unconnected matter which is being connected. The previous one I mentioned, this matter again is about governance, about price rise, about which we are very concerned. And healthy, constructive criticism, pointing out the problem and trying to ask for solutions is absolutely in place. It will continue unless this problem is overcome. Right, it has nothing whatsoever to do with a meeting either on cricketing matters or on matters relating to disruption and law and order. Don't mix up unconnected issues.
Right, sir, and just to ask you once again, is the Congress going to ask Mr. Sharad Pawar on this issue? When we spoke to you yesterday, you said some sort of explanation should be forthcoming.
There is no question of one political party asking another political party. That can happen only in government or at the coalition level. As I said, unless and until it is for matters other than cricket, unless and until there is a scope for misinterpretation and misunderstanding, which I am sure at the moment there is none. There is no question of calling for, as you call it, explanations.
Right, Mr. Singh, we will leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us.
Tuba.com